morning, folks. Welcome back to Major Diesel. I'm Mystery Cowboy, and we're headed over this morning to help my boss Victor with a new wood splitter he got. He called me over the other day and I didn't have a phone with me, didn't have my camera with me, and had me help him assemble the wood splitter, so I didn't get a picture of that. But we didn't get all the lines tightened because we needed a big wrench. If you can see that there's a great big wrench. I think that'll work to tighten those lines. And we got another little secret here for you. Go over to ram it here, and we're going to grab some of our winter secret sauce. Polar power. I don't know if many people use that stuff these days, but I don't always use it for diesel engines. I use it in Ram-It to put in the hydraulic system so that the solenoids inside the hydraulic pump don't seize up. And means we have all this hoarfrost this morning and we were dumping fresh oil into the new wood splitter. This is the right stuff here. Add a cupful of this to the oil on the wood splitter, and yeah, it shouldn't freeze up. I had trouble last winter that with the Ram-It with the snowplow, that the pump quit pumping, and I ended up taking the pump off the snowplow, taking it into the house, putting it on the stove and warming it up, and taking it apart and checking the valves. And when I took it apart, here the little sump screen for each one of the hydraulic valves inside the pump was all full of little crystals of hoarfrost. And that's the problem with running hydraulics in cold weather, specifically a small hydraulic system like a wood splitter or a snowplow blade compared to a big system like a tractor where it is pumped through a large line system and it warms up. These little systems, the oil never warms up. So you put a little bit of polar power in it, that stuff there, it'll fix it. So let's go put some in the wood splitter. Yeah, I have to tighten up. These are the only lines that were off when they both got it. There, that one's tight. Yeah, that's tight. And I see Victor filled up the hydraulics already, but I should put some of this polar power in there. Just a little splash like that, half a cupful, be plenty to keep it so that it won't freeze up solid when we get condensation. Because we have a lot of condensation in this area. with all the fog from the lakes and stuff. Okay, now I just have to wait till Victor comes to try it out. Let's see how it does. We've got some pretty nice big blocks of wood to put on it. See how fast it runs. Oh my. Isn't that fun? Put them in too small of pieces, or in too big of pieces, the wood doesn't line up. Yeah, let's see how it does on some poplar here. Green poplar. That other wood we were splitting was pine. We found with the new regulations, this stove doesn't burn pine as good. It sits up too quick. So we find we have to mix at least 50% poplar in with it. So yeah, it looks like it works good. I think we're going to be pretty happy with this new machine. Yeah, it knocks it up a lot better than using an old splitting maul.
Yeah.
There, look at what's inside that stove. This is a boiler system. Works on the temperature of the water and fans and things to make it burn the wood efficiently. But like I said, the new regulations made it so that the soot plenums build up with creosote too fast when you burn pine. Stove holds a lot of wood, but then it keeps fire for, what is it, 12 hours, 14?
Something like that, 12.
Yeah.
Depending on how much heat you suck out of it.
We've been having minus 20 and we haven't had to get up in the middle of the night.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it must be lunchtime.
Yeah. Well, folks, hope you liked what you saw about the new wood splitter. As you can see, Victor's got a huge pile of wood over there. That oh, there's the stove smoking away. And but that wood's for keeping his big house going. If you've seen the pictures of his big house, there you can see Victor's house. It's pretty big, isn't it? So that's why I've been making my own firewood, because I don't want to dip into the stuff that he needs for his place. So here's my little cabin, and I don't need any big amount of wood, but I do need to make some more. We'll be making some more in the future. Anyway, so long for now. Enjoy the day.